I earned from YouTube with 758 views. I was paid by AdSense amount of money, which you who is watching might think it's a beautiful or it's a great amount of money. But to me, with the reasons that I'm going to be highlighting with you, it was not good money. So out of 758 views, this is amount of money that I earned. I'll be taking you step by step. But what is the main objective of this video? The main objective of this video is not to boast, is not to show you how much I earn with one video, but is to teach you. It is to let you know that you can earn money on YouTube, you can earn money on social media platforms, and you can earn money online, making money online when you have a right key. Most of us, we don't know the right keys. But before that, I would love to appreciate everybody out there. You who always come on the Market Show channels, who is always there. Is it Facebook? Is it YouTube? Is it TikTok? Instagram? We love you so much. Thanks for patronizing us. Thanks for being our friend and our royal. You are a part of our community. As you know, in Market Show, our main goal is to change your mindset. It is to educate you. It is to share with you what we know can uplift you as far as financial freedom is concerned. And we always say it all starts from your mind. When you monetize your mind, you can use all the platforms that are on social media, you can use all the platforms that are online for you to make money. So we are going to see how much I earned from social media. I mean, how much I earned from YouTube with 758 views. This is mainly to content creators, especially the young content creators. You know, when we're beginning content creation, both on Facebook, on YouTube, on any platform, there are a lot of myths that we listen to. There are a lot of rumors that we hear. You guys, when we start and we hear people making money on YouTube, we run and start. But do we have the right keys? Do we have the right information for us to make money? So I'm going to be showing you step by step in this video how you can make money on YouTube and how much I earned. Is it worth it? We will be having the answers as we go in this video. And secondly, we'll see, is this worth it really or it's not worth it? Then the second part, what you expect to see in this video is what would I have done better, or what can you do better to earn money? So let's dive in and check how much I earned. How much AdSense paid me in 750. This is the video that we are going to look at, and out of this video, I'm very sure you're going to learn a lot of things. You're going to learn very many things. This money is not an item at all. I know there are some people who will say this is good money because you and me have at least you know that most of us were not earning to this amount of money, but this is very, very small compared to now what we can earn. And if by the time we finish this video, you will be knowing the best practices of what would I have done for me to earn better money than this, for me to have overutilized this video and these views. So this video, I brought it in because it was by 30th of April, and I got 754 views, whereby you can see here it was 644 more than usual, and it had watch time of 24.0 hours. When you talk about 24.0 hours, it was 18 more than usual, meaning that 18% more than usual, meaning that we have been getting lower than that. And on this video alone, I got 20 subscribers from there. Then the estimated amount of money I have $11.16. It says to total estimated revenue from the video since it was published up today. This includes Google sold ads and transaction for this video. Estimated revenue is subjected to a month-end adjustment. So you guys, do you think this money was good? To young content creators like me and people who are coming, this money, okay, was fair, but it wasn't good. We would have done better than this. Let me come and shock you why it wasn't good. Let's go now to the we go step by step. Having seen the revenue, having seen how much we corrected and the total hours, now we come to average view duration. This matters a lot. Average view duration, out of 724 views, each person watched 1.5, less than 2 minutes. Remember, the video was for 8 minutes. So do you think this was good? No, it was totally very wrong and not good. Why did this video score up to 11? It has scored up to $11 right now. If it was another video, it would have scored up to $100 or up to $50. If it's watch hours, if it watch duration, average view duration was even up to 3. If it was up to 3, it would be very good. So meaning the key important things were not catered for. What are the key important things? Please, I would love everybody out there that is watching to come near and we do this. What are the average things? We come to the graph. This is the video we have right now. Our video is here. Our video, if you click on here, on retention, people are watching up to 0.0 something are still high. Then when we come to 0.51, people are dropping. And by the time they reached to 1 minute, almost everybody had dropped. So this one, they say 56% of the viewers are still watching at around 0.30 mark, which is typical. Learn more about Combly. I want us to learn more about this. You people, this one is educational video, so don't get bored. It might be a bit longer than others, but I would love us to learn more things than what we ever learned before. There are a lot of mistakes that we are still doing as content creators, and because we're excited when we see people who are getting a lot of views, we are like, oh my God, when will God give me more views like this person or like the other? I no longer ask for those views. No. So right now, if we continue and look at exactly what is taking place, remember, what is the objective of us looking at these statistics right now? It is to make sure that we learn from our mistakes, especially my mistakes I did. We have seen the average view duration as it is very low, which made average percentage viewed very low. Of the video of 8 minutes, 22% of it was watched. And also, we come and see the watch hours were 24. 24 is very low. Why? Because the video's views is very high, 754. So meaning, if it was watched high, really, we would have gotten more money than this. This video was really recommended by YouTube because we even earned a number of subscribers, 20 of them. But there are things we need to understand and to learn from this video right now. What are the things we need to learn from here? Have you noticed how much the advertisers paid? The advertisers paid very good money. When we talk about good money, they paid $22.8. At least that money was very good. Yes, the advertisers paid very good money, which I really see. It was a very good step ahead, and it's us that killed it. It wasn't 24. They paid 28.12. As you can see, this is how much advertisers pay. They pay 28 point this. So meaning the CPM is very high. If the CPM is very high, suppose our video duration was high, it means we would have been gone very high. What is something that you should learn from the CPM and the views and the duration? When you look at the correlation, when you look at this amount of money, you look at the views and you look at the CPM, you see that really the algorithm did its own part, is doing its own part. This amount of money, really, I want you to be honest, there are very few people who are getting this. But there are very many people, so other people who are getting higher than this, even up to 40, up to 50. But what killed this video, it is our view duration of 1 point something minute. Now, what do I want you to learn from here? I want you to learn that our videos, especially the pitching, matters a lot. This is what I came to learn. Suppose this video I'd pitched it and I made sure that people get interested to watch it, I would have gotten good money. Then the second thing you need to learn from it, from this video, it's not about the views. No. You can look at it, the revenue and other things. What matters most is about your video and is about the CPM. When the CPM is high and you come and find your video can pitch, it can make the really, you can pitch it and you get your viewers watch up to half of it, even up to 5 minutes, then the energy that YouTube put in to give you this amount of money will not go in vain. I know someone out there is like, this money is enough. If I get this one, is okay. No, it's not okay. People are getting up to 50. So this comes now, I come back to you. What are the things that can be done for us to make sure that we get good CPM? What I came to learn from CPM, I've learned various things, and one of the things I'm going to share with you is today is to make sure that when you're doing your transcript of the videos, when you're editing you're drafting your transcripts, you make sure that your videos have high searchable words. High searchable words may lead, or they should lead to, high CPM. Because if you go and research, there are a lot of people that are getting high views, but they don't have revenue. The estimated revenue is very low on that video. You can see from here, the summary estimated revenue is 11 days. But if you see the CPM being high, meaning that the topic that I used, both the thumbnail and even the title were okay. Then when we go to the video, do I have searchable words? Yes, at least I tried with the key searchable words, and the hashtags were correlative according to the search engine. But the problem was on my video. So the video did not entice people to move on. Suppose the video was enticing some people, it would be high. I think you can see the graph. You can see how much it has been, we've been earning and other things. You can see it. So let me go to another second thing that we should really, no, before I go to another point, I would love to answer a question. Someone who is saying, how do I get high searchable words? For you to get high searchable words, after drafting your script, sit down and see, depending on your niche, but also your niche vary. Sit down and see, what should I put in my transcript as I'm talking, as like now, right now I'm talking, because the algorithm picks what we speak and analyzes them. If like me, I'm on to Making Money Online, and you can finish the sentence without putting high searchable words like making money online, making money with apps, making money in 2024. If you cannot put them there, it means your recommendation and the CPM might be dropped. Advertisers might pay as low as $4. There are videos that I have where the advertisers have paid $4 and $3, and the videos the video ends up getting $1 when it has views 1K and above. Then another thing, I'm bringing this to educate you, especially the upcoming or the young entrepreneurs as far as social media is concerned. Let's not concentrate on the views. Let's continue concentrating on the duration. Let YouTube do its part and let us do our part. How do we do our part? We are going to do our part by making sure that our duration is longer than expected. I'm very excited to let you know that these days, whenever I see the duration of the market short videos is 5 and above, I just slap and thank God for that. But this one is not going to be reached, it is not going to be discovered when you're seated there and you're just posting. When you see 1000k views, you're excited. Where we should be excited now is amount of money at the end of the day. How much are you earning? That is what matters most. So if someone is looking at this video, might be saying, this girl has earned a lot of money from this video. No, $11 is not enough for this video. This video is supposed to fetch more than $50. So whoever is watching, maybe you might find your videos are in thousands and thousands. I have, for some of the friends, when they show me their estimated income, I feel like crying. It's high time for you, social media entrepreneurs. Don't work for nothing. Let your energy not go in vain. If you cannot jump and follow the trend, if you cannot jump and know how to research and know exactly what should I do, these are the best practices that I've used that have revamped me from this saga you see, $11 out of 700 and something views, to at least 50 and above. What are the best practices? The best practices, it's I came to learn how to do transcription. And when I'm doing transcription of my videos, I make sure they have key searchable words. That is one. Two, I've maintained the best practices of making sure that the description should also have searchable words. Three, I've maintained that the title should be catchy and should also be intriguing. Four, I've also made sure, if you can see lately, I'm trying to change the face, the door of the videos, that is the thumbnail. I make sure that let someone click there. And I know with the time you'll find us, we have thousands and millions like others. But the foundation matters, because it is worthless to have thousands when you cannot withdraw good amount of money. There are very many things that we're going to learn from this, including the geography, including the traffic. What are the sources of traffic? It matters a lot. Sources of traffic, if you can see, before I used to get sources of traffic from direct known channel pages, no. But now we love to get sources of traffic from browsers and YouTube recommendations. If you have such sources, you're perfect. That's why we put, as a market show, I personally put a stop on telling people, watch my video, subscribe for subscribe. Whether I get one viewer, whether I get 2 viewers, 3 viewers, provided they are recommended or they are from search engine, I feel comfortable. You know why? I cannot dance and I cannot drum for myself, and at the same time I will not pay myself. These things, they have to pay me. So you guys, this is the amount of money that I earned from a video of 700 plus views. Why? Because it wasn't, the foundation was not good. The algorithm really favored us by giving us 28 point something US dollars by CPM. But for us, we're disappointing ourselves because the video did not pitch up. There are some common things that we did not have. But as you watch this video, I brought it as a survey, and I'll be bringing it back, the same video, and we'll see if it has picked up. How do you do it? We edit it and make it evergreen, look green. Thank you very much, you guys. Thanks for keeping with us. See you.